unboxing. If you're a customer of Pretty Neat Creative, or if you're familiar with Pretty Neat Creative, you know that Pretty Neat Creative ships their packages in something like this. And it's a really good strong box, but things like this happen to it, and they can get damaged in the post. And Pretty Neat Creative reached out to me and asked me if I would like to try out their new packaging. And if you get a custom from Pretty Neat Creative right now, your new box isn't going to be that cardboard square box. It's going to be something like this. I just got this yesterday from Pretty Neat Creative, and you can see it's round. And I did split it open to make it a little easier, but I haven't looked inside yet. And I'm really excited because this is a custom from Pretty Neat Creative, and I've never done a custom before. And I'm really excited about it. And wow, look at this. This is what the new tubing looks like. And this is really fantastic. I didn't know what to expect. I love it. So not only does the diamond painting come in this hard tube, it's labeled, and it looks really pretty. And it's labeled with diamond painting and a little message from Pretty Neat Creative. And oh wow, look at this. It has the steps to diamond painting right here on the back. You have a picture of each step. There's 6 steps here. And along with the picture, it actually gives you a little blurb about each step, about the unboxing, the checking the beads, storing your beads, using the pen tool, sticking the beads to the canvas, and hanging your finished diamond painting. So this is really great. You could actually not only use this just for storing your diamond painting and keeping your bits safe, but you could actually use it for the directions if you're not familiar with how to diamond paint. If you're an experienced diamond painter, I'm sure you won't need this really, but this is really good for somebody who's inexperienced or new to the craft. So let's see what we have here. I ordered a diamond painting that's a picture of my husband and me. So let's see how that's gonna look. So I'm gonna twist that cap off. Wow, this is fantastic. I'm gonna zoom you guys down here. So this is what we have. We have our tube. Let's see if I can get this out. There's my canvas. And oh, I see something in there. And wow, this is really sturdy. This did not get damaged in the post at all. Have a little thank you card from Pretty Neat Creative. Thank you, Pretty Neat Creative. And let's see what we have here. So inside the hard tubing, we have our canvas in a plastic bag for extra protection. And then we have the usual toolkit. And in the toolkit, I'll open that up. I really like the Pretty Neat Creative toolkits. We have, oh wow, we have our drill pen with a 4 placer. That's really neat. And we have the really good pointy needle nose tweezers. Those come in really handy when you have to pick up a drill or move a drill to a new spot and make a mistake, which happens to the best of us. There's actually the drill pen grip, which slides right on. Oh, if I can slide it right on. There we go. So we have that. We have some baggies for extra drills because Pretty Neat Creative is really great at always giving me extra drills. I don't think I've ever run out of drills with a Pretty Neat Creative diamond painting. Our pink wax for dipping our drill pen in. And we did get the small tray, the small drill tray. I do prefer the large ones, and they do sometimes give us the large ones, but this time it happens to be a small. Even though it's a small, it's good that it has a little funnel end. It's really good for putting your drills back into your compartments, wherever you happen to store yours, or putting them in the bags. So there's our toolkit. And here's my canvas. This is really neat. I'm gonna use my scissors on this. This is really neat because Pretty Neat Creative recently started using the softer felt-like canvases, and I know some of the other canvases can be kind of hard and stiff. Let's pull that tape off. And now they're using a much softer felt-like canvas, so this is really nice. It's very, very pliable, very bendy. It's not stiff. Oh my goodness. There is an inventory sheet in here, of course, telling me which drills I have, which beads. And there is the picture of my husband and me. That is actually what my canvas is going to be. Aren't we a cute little couple? And there are my drills. Let's see if I can get this open. Back to my scissors. Oops, sorry. And my drills are all bagged. Let's see what we have here. Some really pretty colors. Wow, let's see. I'll show you some of the drills. I like this pretty, kind of like a salmon-y peach color. And let's see, looking at my drills, they seem to be in really nice shape. They're round drills. This is a full round drill diamond painting. And I have to be honest, I don't see any misshapen drills. They all look like they're cut very nicely. Wow, I have a lot of colors in here. Oh, I like that pretty shade. Look at that pretty, pretty reddish orange. I'm kind of partial to reddish orange. Let's put those aside and make some room here. Oh my goodness, this is a biggie. There is my canvas. That's my custom canvas. It's so big, it's hard to get it on the camera. I'm gonna have to slide it up. And what I like about the felt canvas that they're using now is that when I took this out, I mean, you saw me take it out of the box, and here it is. It's not all curled up and rolled on the ends. It's pretty straight. It unfurls very, very nicely when you use the softer canvas. So I'm looking here, I see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 33 colors, not bad. And wow, look at this. Look how nice and clearly everything is labeled. Those symbols are really, really big, and they're really labeled nicely. So I can see my symbols very easily. And I'm looking at my diamond painting itself, at my canvas, and I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but they are labeled really nicely. The symbols are on there really nice, and I'll be able to see them pretty easily. I don't see anything that looks unclear. Everything is nice and printed nice and clearly. Everything's easy to see. Wow, this is gonna be fun right down here. Look at that big section. No confetti there, as they say. This is really amazing. I am very, very excited about this. Let me see if I can get that on camera. I'm really excited about that. I can't wait for my husband to see this one. He hasn't seen it yet. Very nice. So I am going to roll this back up. It is a 50 by 60 centimeter diamond painting. And so I have a lot to work on here. I'm gonna bring it back up. And I'm going to, in a few minutes, kit this up and get ready to start it. And after I'm all kitted up, I'll show you what I have, and then I'll get started on it, and I'll keep you updated on my progress of my work in progress. And I hope you like seeing my unboxing, and I guess I'll see you soon.